In this video I will show you how to import Notion to Obsidian. So first go and open up your Notion account, and then what you want to go and do is in the top right click on the three dots right here. Now from here you want to go and click on export down here. Now here make sure it's set to HTML, then include database, just do current view, and then include content everything. Then here include subpages, go and turn that on. Now you can also export the comments if you want. I'm going to keep that off, and then click on export. So now it's going to export and it will get all your Notion pages and create a download for you. So you will see now there is this download, it's a zip file. So now just open up Obsidian, and then to import the Notion pages just click settings right here. Then go to the community plugins, then here click browse. Then you just want to search for import and then get the importer by Obsidian right here. So click on it and then click on install. Then it's installing the plugin, then click enable. So now close this, and then here click on the import button, so that's the open importer. And then for the file format right here, go to select Notion, so that's the zip file. Then here click choose file and go to select the file that we just got from Notion. So it's the zip file again, and then click open. Now you can save the parent pages in subfolders and you can do single line breaks. For now just go and click import. And now you will see 43 pages have been imported, so now I can click done. Now if I click on the Notion drop down right here, you will see all of my Notion pages. So for example this one called January, if I go to Notion you will see that I have that one right there. You can see January, I have this one in Notion. So I've now imported all of my Notion pages onto Obsidian. So now you know how to import Notion to Obsidian. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.